Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Oreo mousse at home, only way. Chill 2 cups heavy cream and 12 Oreo cookies, then crush cookies finely and reserve crumbs for garnish. Whip cream to soft peaks with 3 tablespoons sugar and 1 tsp vanilla. Fold in 1 cup cream cheese softened and the cookie crumbs gently. Spoon into serving dishes and chill for at least 2 hours before serving, then garnish and enjoy. Gather your ingredients and set them within easy reach to streamline the process. Measure 2 cups heavy cream, 1 cup cream cheese, 3 tablespoons sugar, 1 tsp vanilla, and 12 Oreo cookies. Chill the heavy cream and the mixing bowl for better whipping results. Crushing the cookies finely helps the mousse become smooth while leaving some larger bits for texture. This prep ensures a seamless and relaxing cooking experience. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more easy dessert recipes. On another note, a quick recommendation. I love the book The Simple Path to Wealth for its clear money advice and relaxed tone, and it pairs nicely with cozy baking sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider it a light-hearted companion to your kitchen adventures. Now let's get back to the video. Start by whipping the cold, heavy cream to soft peaks, then set it aside. Beat the room temperature cream cheese with sugar and vanilla until smooth and slightly aerated. Fold the whipped cream into the cream cheese mixture in 2 additions to preserve airiness. Gently stir in the crushed Oreo cookies, keeping some chunky bits for texture. Spoon the mousse into cups, cover, and chill so flavors meld and texture firms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.